Our turn. This is a third gear corner for me, and I delayed apex it. Wide like you are, really good so far. That's fine. Perfect apex. You can come up the hill and do that on a flying lap. That's great. This curve. When I make the cut the corner, I like to look for that far curve on the left. Okay, just back there if you can. I go right across the center and it'll put you right down here to the left. I downshift and I look towards that curve. And you should be able to do this without changing your hand. You turn it, it's actually a constant radius corner.
Okay.
This one I break at the bottom of the hill, and then I open it up, I hang off just enough to where I apex it here. Like there, yes. Apex it at the top there, and it'll bring you across the middle, and it'll point you at this curve. And then I go from this curve to that one. You should just be able to set your hand and almost not change it. You should take you across this curve, straight down the line, and to the left. Break over the top. Let off, and now you're looking for, believe it or not, clear back here. You just open up your hands and you want this is your apex here.
Okay.
So if you run that, and here it's from this corner to that corner, and then this next one's pretty simple. Good. Brake on the flat. Good.
Smooth out the brake.
Perfect apex. As you gather speed, you have to do Brake early. Take your gear, let off, let it roll through. You can use fourth there. Relax your hands, hang to the left. If you want to go right, hang to the left. You want to just touch the edge of this curve. Go right down here, and then just kind of straight across the middle. And it'll put you right next to this. Don't go across the top and turn left. Go straight across the middle.
Go straight all the way.
Yep. There you were. Don't worry about it. A little late is okay. You can always fix that. You don't have nobody chasing you, so run the lap you want to get it right. Look at that apex over there, or that curve over there.
Here?
There you go. That's right. Perfect. Just go across the center. Don't worry about on your left. Because when you come down, it puts you where you need to be. Now go left. You're going down the straight. What are you doing? Right here, and let it roll across the top. Start your turn in. Look for that curve back there. You just kind of let your eye follow the track, and it'll bring you right here. Better. Let your eye follow the track, and it'll bring you right here. Better. And then look towards this one. Don't worry about that one on the left at all. Always look towards that one now.
Okay.
And then yes, use your whole track. Honestly, I would just go off the end and then on the inside.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
That's okay, ignore me. I was trying to figure out how that guy ended off on the inside there.
Yeah, I don't know.
smooth with your throttle. Excellent. Let off the brake, let it roll through. Let it carry some speed. Go back to your throttle a little bit. Smooth throttle. Smooth throttle. Now hard speed. Go back to your throttle a little bit. Smooth throttle. Smooth throttle. Now hard. Hang it up. Just go straight towards that mountain. There you go. Now just grab it with your hand and let the car take a set. Go straight over the hill. Straight over the middle. Straight over the middle. You're going to come down. See how it puts you right here? When you come over the hill, downshift, third brake, and for that one, just set your hand. We've got to work on that. This curve, just the edge, about a foot off of this one. Remember, you're looking at your apex up here. There you go, straight over, don't turn right. It's going to take you right down here to this where you want to be. Brake, turn left, look for that curve and just set your hand. Feather your throttle on and off. Use this whole half circle, don't change your hand. Don't let up. See you let up. See you let up and you ended up out here. You're a little bit more over that way, brake party. See, now you're too tight to the inside. There's your index there. Look for the far one. Far curve. Now turn left. Use your whole track. Get back around to the main straight. We're going to let these guys go by and we're going to concentrate on your line. Okay? Don't point a bike in the main straight. Drive this the way you want to, the way you're supposed to. Nice and wide, right apex it. Start looking down towards your corner. To the right, to the right. Now just use your whole track, but don't really get on it. Let them go by. Okay, now go. Brake, let off, and let it roll through the corner. Let it roll through the corner and snip your tail spine. Sit, leave your hand that way, now under your hand. Let it roll through the corner and snip your tail spine. Sit, leave your hand that way, now under your hand. Excellent, yes, yes, yes. Now just go straight towards there. And touch, top, right, back, go across the top of the corner, top of the hill. Brake, downshift to third. Smooth on the brake, smooth on the brake, down the hill. Turn right. Use your whole track. Now open it up, open your hand up, use your whole track. Roll through the corner and gain some speed. Look at this curve. Now turn gradually towards this curve. Roll your hand left. Ease off. Now look at that curve up there. Too late. Look ahead, look ahead, look ahead. Stay in the middle, go right across the top. Right across the top. Over to this corner. Brake, turn left. This curve to that curve, set your hand. Don't change your hand this time. You leave it right like that. Leave it like that, don't unwind. Use this curve. See? You get too far out here. See? You get too far out here. Go that way, brake. Brake. You gotta stay tight there, or it kills you here. If you miss that one, this one's destroyed.
Ignore that one.
Towards the right. This curve to that curve, use your whole track. Very good. Very good. Turn off the brake, turn left. Now run this one like you always do. You're really good up here. We're going to let this Audi by at the bottom, and then you're going to go down the end, and I'll keep my leg off this stuff. Excellent, excellent. Your hands are great. Yes, keep it up. Perfect. Nice line. Yes, yes. Good to hear. You got this section. Now, relax a little bit. Just listen to you straight across the hill. Look to your left, brake hard. Now shift to third. Now you're going from this corner to that corner, and look this way. Yes, set your hand, dial in some throttle. Your hand a little turn. Relax, go left. Dial in some throttle. Your hand a little turn. Relax, go left. Relax, brake. Okay, brake again, and turn right. Look for this apex. There you go. Throttle straight across. Don't go right. Stop doing that. Gotta take you down here. Brake. Brake. Go left. Set your hand. Use this whole track and use that curb if that's the way it works out. Now, it'll take you left. Set your hand. Brake. Brake. Now look where you're at. You got all this corner. Excellent. Yes. Look for your apex back here. Yes, you got it. That's this corner. Okay. It's the hardest one. When you get it right, it's also the most fun. Look for that one. Go left, use your whole track. Keep it in third gear, you're doing great. Use your whole track also. Now work your magic. Now work your magic here like you always do. Okay, just a little to the right after this. Just a little right. Park it. Left, drive across the hill the way you do, excellent. We'll let this CL1 by because you'll be faster. Yeah. And then you drive down to the end like you always do. Lighten up your hand, go. Excellent. That's your password. That's a fast. Excellent. That's your password. That's a fast corner when you get it right. That was good. Breathe. Yes. All right. Curb to curb to curb. Back to your throttle. Look for that curve up there. I see some dirt. Yeah. Left. Right in the TTRS, missed this corner. Tight it in. In. Look up here. In. That's where you're going for. Tighter. 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 Ah, we'll carry across the top. Right. Now, get this one just like you did last time. Curb to curb. Set your hand. And just drive through it. Let off. Don't let off, just drive through it. You see how it fixes itself? The car wanted to wash out and it fixed itself. Brake hard. Go across the middle. You got it. Yes. Look for the curve back there. Just follow. You let your eyes follow the white line so you get to this apex. Yes. Now straight towards this side. You're going to come up the right side of the track here. Now there you go. Curb to curb. Nice. You're getting it. This is not an easy track, you're getting it. By the end of the day, you'll have it. And it takes that long. Nice, much better. There you go. Drive your corner. You almost missed it, didn't you? Yeah. Drive your corner. Nice job out there. Missed it, didn't you? Yeah. Drive your corner. Nice job out there. Yep. Just have to blind faith it's going to be there. Go. There you go. Now look at this. Look this one. Yes, good hands that time. It's your best one, Matt. Faster along the white line. It's easy to carry too much speed there. Now look for that curb up there. Tighten up. There you go. You got it. You got it. Yes. Go straight across the top. This curve and then constant radius corner. Use your hands like you have been. Do excellent. Nice job. Your arm rotates.
Yeah.
There you go. Use the throttle. Brake hard. It's easy to go into this one too fast. I've gone off there several times.
Yeah, I did first session. All the way into the grass.
Yep. Oh, yeah, you gotta go to the grass. You don't want to get stuck in the grass.
Session. All the way into the grass.
Yep. Oh, yeah, you gotta go to the grass. You don't want to get stuck in the gravel. There you go. Now gradually start dialing in some more speed to these corners. You're getting it? You're getting it. The trick with these, the track with this many corners is just not to ever rush.
Not to what?
Not to rush. Just drive your pace, and as you get the curves, if you get the corners correctly, the speed comes faster and faster and faster.
Right.
So you work on being smooth and getting all the lines correct, and then pretty soon you're going way faster than you thought you would. Good corner. Excellent. You have this one down. Go with it. Widen up, dial your hand. There, yes, look for this one. Got it. Yes! You got it. Not too much throttle. Turn in. Look for this apex up here on the hill. Very nice. There you go. Always look ahead. And then see, that time you didn't keep turning and it took you right to the perfect spot. You got it. Yes. Don't undial your hand, you're going to get out too far. Nice job. Brake hard. Hand, you're going to get out too far. Nice job. Brake hard. You like to exit corner speed, don't you? Look for your curve up here. There's nothing wrong.
The other thing I have not been using the brakes very well. I've got a lot more brake than I'm using.
There you go. There you go. Nice job. Feel a little better?
Yeah. I appreciate that much better.
No problem at all. If you have any more questions, I drive a white TTRS in race group. Just hunt me down and I'll work with you some more.
Okay, awesome.